About this item: laptop computer manage all-in-one USB-C hub. The USB-C hub adapter is compatible with all devices that contain Type-C/USB ports, especially MacBook Pro and Air. 11-in-1 USB-C hub includes one USB 3.0 and three USB 2.0 ports, a PD port, a 4K HDMI video output, a VGA male-to-female port, an RJ45 Ethernet port and one audio output, and SD/micro SD card reader slots, compatible with MacBook Pro/Air, Chromebook, and other Type-C devices. Laptop computer super fast data transfer. USB 3.0 ports support transfer speeds up to 5 Gbps, to USB 2.0 for 2.4G wireless mouse and keyboard without signal interference. SD/TF slot can access files in a few seconds. RJ45 100M Ethernet port provides more stable and faster internet access than most wireless connections. Note: USB-C adapter, it can't read SD/TF card at the same time. Laptop computer 4K HDMI and VGA. The USB-C docking station supports high resolutions of up to 4K 3840 x 2160 at 30 Hz and streams 4K or Full HD 1080p videos directly to HD TV, monitors or projectors, and is downward compatible with 2K/1080p/720p resolutions. The VGA port supports up to 1080p at 60 Hz. Laptop computer dual core technology, PD fast charge. USB-C hub multi-port adapter is combined with the built-in dual-core chip, which has lower power consumption. All ports can work efficiently and the data transmission speed become faster. USB-C dongle supports up to 100W fast charging. Laptop computer quality guarantee and sincere service. Our USB-C docking station is strictly controlled and quality assured. Great compatibility, plug and play, no drivers required. If you encounter any product problems, you can contact us at any time via Amazon and we will 100% solve the problem for you. In the description to get this product today at the best price.